Empty wheels turning on cold forgotten stone. A silent boy watched the world move on alone. Old echoes of honor faded into gray, learning to stand while the light slipped away. Dust, a heart ripped open, left to rot in rust. Years in the dark, where no mercy could reach. Silence taught the soul what sorrow can teach. Gasping in the flames, crimson rising high, devouring the pain that taught me how to die. Twisted world kept smiling while the innocent bled. Every broken vow fueling the fire in my head. Streets filled with venom, dressed in righteous lies. Rage finally shattered through these hollow eyes. Crimson flames exploding, wild and unforgiving, burning every chain that kept this soul from drag me from the blaze toward dim, steady lights. In the smoke and haze, shoulders stood together, no judgment, no fear. Warm voices rising, drawing the broken near. Red began to soften, edges turning kind.